What are a few good strategies that might help teachers save some time? I'm Larry Ferlazzo, and I'm going to share three that maybe or maybe not will save you some time. One, formative assessments in many ways are the bread and butter of teachers, right? Unless we know what students know or what they've learned, it's hard for us to craft effective lessons. So, two ways that I try to use these formative assessments are one, through the use of mini whiteboards, where all students get a mini whiteboard, an eraser, and marker. I ask a question and ask students not to lift up the boards until I say so. Another way is through the use of online learning games like Quizzes, Kahoot, Blooket, that offer many types, different kinds of question types, at least Quizzes does, along with automatic scoring, so I'm able to immediately get a sense of where students are. There's a new tool called Groovelet, which does something similar with student writing. I'm generally skeptical of AI assessing student writing, but I'm willing to give this a try. Another suggestion that many might offer to teachers to save time is to use the required textbook. Unfortunately, most of our textbooks are pretty boring and not engaging. But the way I deal with that is I use Genius Scan. It's a mobile scanner. There are a zillion of them. And take pictures of the text, turn them into editable PDFs, and convert the text into engaging materials like text data sets, which are where it's a form of inductive learning where students have to categorize paragraphs, or putting them into sequencing activities where you mix up the text and students have to put them in order, or closes, also known as gap fill exercises. I used to do that by hand, but now ChatGPT and other AI tools can be trained to do those in a second. And finally, the last suggestion I'd like to offer is to build relationships with classified staff like school secretaries and custodians. Besides just being the right thing to do, having those relationships can be very helpful when you need student desks repaired or you need some supplies pretty quickly. What are your suggestions for saving time for teachers?